So, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hopefully, you read the disclaimer, and I'm highly suggesting you if you didn't check my disclaimer, you can check the disclaimer. And disclaimer is very important because in disclaimer, I explained why I'm recording these videos and what's my purpose of recording myself. That's why it's necessary you should check my disclaimer. And in this video, by the way, if you want to know in short what I'm doing, I'm recording these videos because I just want to practice my spoken English. That's my main motive of recording myself. So don't make any assumptions in comments about this video. That's why I'm telling you, you can check my disclaimer. So let's start the video. We were discussing about our friends in my last 2 to 3 videos. We were discussed about Virban and Subham. Basically, these both of these are my friends, and basically these are my close friends. And I don't know how to speak freely, but uh, hmm, I don't have any words right now, and for them, and basically I don't have any friend to discuss. By the way, I don't want to discuss about my friends anymore because someone told me, or you can say someone teach me, spitting names on your videos is not good for the guy. Uh, I mean, the friends Aswam and Virban, and I decided I don't want to share their names or my friends or family members' names or faces on YouTube videos right now. I don't want to disclose anything about them, and it's very important. Uh, if you are doing something like that, and your content is not your family and your friends, in that case, you it's better you don't show your friends and families faces and your let's say your friends faces because in AI era, or especially uh, in this era, ChatGPT or Claude, something like the LLMs, anybody can make something like a face swap or do something other than face swap. Like I'm just telling you guys, it's not important uh, to show faces on YouTube channel or other social media platform. It's very important, and um by the way, this is a very important thing. Like if you are doing and your family and friends are not your content, that in that case it's better you don't share their face and names kind of stuff. Basically, you got the idea what I'm trying to say here, and this is a very important thing uh, to discuss. And also, although I didn't share faces, although I didn't share faces, I just shared names with my audience, or you can say on YouTube video. So it's not that mm, effectful, but if you're doing or you're sharing faces and some kind of other details, I think it's time to stop. So because AI and other stuff like machine learning kind of stuff, uh, at these are very brutal stages of uh, machine learning or humanity. I know this line was not correct. That's why I'm laughing on it. So that's why I changed the plan. And in next video, I'm discuss about my next plan, what I'm gonna do, and how I'm gonna practice my spoken English. That's helped me to uh, in many fields like corporate and other fields, and it make me a educated guy. I'm just kidding, guys. It's not English is not work like that. Basically, it's work like that, but not. It's complicated, guys. It's very complicated because if some people know English, and then people think he is educated. If uh, some people don't know English and they have a lot of knowledge about their field or their uh, some kind of I mean, some kind of other knowledge they have, but they can't speak English. In that case, in India, people think this guy is not educated, something like that. I'm not saying India is mentally ill or something like that, and don't spam um, comments. By the way, why would you spam comments? Because I don't have any comments in my videos. So please try to understand. And I'm not saying the mentality of Indians are ill. I'm just saying uh, what it is. What is. I'm just saying the reality. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and I'm assuming you like the video, and if you didn't like, you can tell me in comment section. And I uploaded around 20 videos, and I have not a single like on my any video and not a single comment on my videos. I don't know why, but it's because I don't have skills. So that's the main that's the main demotivating part for me right now, and I don't care. I didn't start this channel to gain views and subscribers on YouTube. I started this channel because I just want to practice my spoken English, and I will do uh, my job like my what um, by I mean by job is like uploading videos, raw videos on YouTube. That's my job right now, and I don't wanna want I don't uh, I don't want to think about uh, subscribers, views, and comments or something like that. Uh, I don't fall in. I don't want to fall in this cheap dopamine hit, and hope you get it. And this video is already too long, so it's time to end this video. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and if you have any queries and doubts, you can ask me in comment section. And if you wanna say something bad, good, or what's in your mind, you can tell me in comment section. And send this video to the guy who wants to learn English and has no motivation to and record himself. So this video is a complete motivation because I started with fumbling and hesitation, and right now I'm just speaking little bit fluent. And by the way, I'm not good right now, but there are 20 to 30% improvement in my first video and my this video, or you can say my last video. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.